Good evening, sir.
Yes.
I found an abandoned car down near the gates of this house. Did the driver come in here for any help by any chance?
No. Well, actually, yes.
No.
There seemed to be some kind of disagreement.
No.
Yes.
Can I come in and use your phone?
Of course you may, sir. You may use the one in the, No. You could use the one in the No. Oh, would you be kind enough to wait in the, library?
Sure. Don't I know you from someplace? You all seem to be very anxious about something.
It's a chandelier. It fell down, almost killed us. Would you like to come this way, please, sir? Frightfully drafty, these old houses. Please help yourself to a drink, if you'd like. Not the cognac, just in case.
Just in case of what?
What now? We should have told him.
Oh, very well for you to say that now.
I said it then.
Oh, shut up!
Let's clean this up.
Hello?
Maybe the cop answered it.
And who shall I say is calling? Would you hold on, please? Let me out of here! Let me out of here! You have no right to shut me in! I'll book you for false arrest and wrongful imprisonment and obstructing an officer in the course of his duty and murder!
What do you mean? Murder.
I just said it so you would open the door. What's going on around here? And why would you lock me in? And why are you receiving phone calls from J. Edgar Hoover?
J. Edgar Hoover?
That's right. The head of the Federal Bureau of Investigation.
Why is J. Edgar Hoover on your phone? I don't know. He's on everybody else's. Why shouldn't he be on mine? Excuse me.
What's going on here?
We're having a party.
Mind if I look around?
Sure. You can show him around, Mr. Green.
Me?
Yes, you can show him the dining room, the kitchen, the ballroom.
Fine. Fine. Officer, come with me.
I'll show you the dining room, or the kitchen, or the ballroom.
Make it look convincing.
So, this is the dining room.
No kidding.
Come on.
What's going on in those two rooms?
Which two rooms?
Those two rooms.
Oh, those two rooms.
Yes.
What? Officer, I don't think you should go in there.
Why not?
Because it's all too shocking.
Oh, life could be a dream if I could take you up in paradise up above. If you would tell me I'm the only one that you love, life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. Shaboom, and hope we'll meet again. Oh, life could be a dream. If only
It's not all that shocking. These folks are just having a good time.
If you would let me spend my whole life loving you, life could be a dream, sweetheart. Oh, every time I look at
Oh,
you.
my God.
Excuse me.
If I could take you up in paradise up above, if you would
This man's drunk. Dead drunk.
Dead right.
You're not gonna drive home, are you?
He won't be driving home, officer, I promise you that.
No.
Somebody will give him a lift, huh?
Oh, we'll get him a car.
A long black car.
A limousine. Oh!
Officer.
You're too late. I've seen it all.
You have? I can explain everything.
You don't have to.
I don't?
Don't worry. There's nothing illegal about any of this.
Are you sure?
Of course. This is America.
I see.
It's a free country. Don't you know that?
I didn't know it was that free.
May I use your phone now?
Certainly.
Why did you lock him in again?